Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video. I want to have more of a discussion about this topic right here. It says on 4K Pro and the stick, price fluctuate by as much as 50% from store to store. And this is something I've been seeing on different platforms such as Facebook, Reddit, getting on the internet, like coming to websites like AFTV News. And again, shout out to Elias who just continues to educate us and keep us updated on these streaming devices. Um, I even saw somebody on Facebook tell it was out of humor, right? Tell Elias that you're gonna have to change your name. We can't keep it at AFTV News because it said for Amazon Fire TV, but say hey, you gonna have to change your name and stuff like that to the website. So that was a little humorous. But this in this this short paragraph, there are been some prices, like people are getting them at different prices. They go here, they paying 30, and then you go here, it's a different price, or somebody paying 60 at this location, but then in the next state over, somebody paying, 50, or instead of 40, they paying 20. So we're seeing a lot of different pricings depending on which Walmart you go to. But let's get into this article. It's very, very short. It says Walmart is notorious for having messy on streaming devices launches. You're right about that. All right, because before we start, I was the first one with the first gen box. I was the first one with the second gen box. I was the first one with the on 4K Pro. I was the first one with the on 4K Plus. And so I was hoping to get my hands on this one, but I guess, being 4-1 is not bad. All right, being 4-1 is not bad, but they are messy. They do not do it like any other company. When a company say they're launching on this day, everybody is prepared. You just don't know what you're gonna get with Walmart streaming devices. But let's continue. It say, but it usually doesn't mess up the pricing. That's not the case with the two new models for 2026, which have different pricings depending on the store location. The second gen on 4K Pro is most commonly priced at $60, but some locations are selling it for 50. So even on the website, on some websites, they say the second gen on 4K Pro box is going to be 60, but you go and pick it up, it's 50, and 50 is the original price. And then before the first gen device of this model that I have right here, all right, on this model right here that got the USB 3.0 right there. So that is the original price. And then like within months later, um, you know, Walmart took it down to 44, like $45. Okay. Um, Also, it says the on 4K stick is most commonly priced at 40, but some locations have them for as little as $20. Even simply changing the checkout option from pickup to delivery can cause the price to change. If you're not seeing either model appear on Walmart's website, you need to first change the location option in the upper left to one where the devices are in stock nearby. Once you get the product page to load, check surrounding pickup locations for the best price before ordering. And that's just what it is. But I went to the comment and I actually read something like I think this person was kind of complaining, and then Elias came back, and this is something I'm gonna look at. Okay, 90670. I'm gonna just copy that so I don't forget it. And let's go over to Walmart. Right now I'm in Walmart in Canton, Michigan, and I'm gonna just put on there on streaming devices. All right, this is the only thing that they have right here is the full HD. This is the only one that they have. They do not have any other device nowhere. So what I did, right, and I'm gonna show y'all something what Elias is explaining to this person. Go over here and let's do a pickup, right? Let's do this. All right. And let's just say if I wanted to go into Taylor. All right, let's just say that. Let's see what Taylor has. All right, let's see what Taylor has. And see, this is the only thing in Michigan. And so if I go over and let's do this again, click that. I'm going to go down here to Woodhaven, Michigan. Okay, let's click on that. And see, look at Woodhaven only has the full HD. I'm going to try one more, though. Let me see. Might have to go further out. Let me try this one in Commerce. Okay. And see, again, all Michigan has are the full HD models. But now check this out. We know it's here. I'm going to put in, and look, this is what you're going to have to do. I'm going to paste that, right? And I just select Santa Fe. This look like this is California, and I'm going to hit save. And now, when I hit the device, look at that. You get the 4K stick. You can pick that up as far as 11 o'clock in the morning. This one, yeah, this is, I don't know, this look like this is the 4K. Look like this is the 4K streaming box. This look like this is the older one. It look like they got that one. What else they got? And they saying this one is out of stock right now. The on 4K Pro. This is the 2026 model right here. But I'm gonna go. Let me see. I'm gonna see if I can pick out another store. All right. I'm not familiar with this over here, but I'm gonna say, what's that? Pico Rivera. Let's see what they got. All right. It look like they got a 4K. Okay. And one thing about it, just so you know that which one you're grabbing, on the 4K model, if you look on the side, it is green. But let me go back to one in Michigan. Let me see. I'm gonna just type in like a 48210. All right. Let's see what Dearborn has. And this look like, hold on, let me just make sure. And see, they only have the full HD as well. And you see the difference? You see on the side is not green, it's just blue. And that's how you'll be able to know which device you have, even though it tells you right there on the box that it's full HD or it's 4K. But I'm going to see if I can check one more. Let me see. Need somewhere way out or something. I'm going to go to Saline, Michigan. Maybe they got something. That's out there by Ann Arbor. And let me just check something out. And you know, everybody only has the full HD. That is about it. That's a bummer in Michigan, man, because we've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, that's what we've been doing. That's just what it is. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. So that's what Elias is trying to explain to the person who left the comment. So hopefully you learned something. Check your surrounding areas, see what you have. Put your zip code in or some other zip code in and see what you got. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Also share this video in your groups, in your social media groups. This will help someone. Also, guys, thumbs up the video. And if you subscribe, click that bell icon and select all. That way, anything I release on YouTube, you will get the notification. All right, guys, that's it for me right now. I may do something a little bit later. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe out there. This is Superdell, and I'm signing out. And good looking, Elias from AFTV News. Big salute to you. Thanks. Peace.